Hello friends, today we will see how to test an application using C# and Appium, or how to connect it to application. I'm starting improvise. I'm running Appium Server and my C# file. I'm starting from here. Our goal is to perform an operation and calculator in C#. Let's watch and see details later. Yes, we access the emulator via C#. We collect 9 and 6. How did we do this? Let's start. We installed Appium Server. And next, I show you setting like this. These are important. I'm starting Appium Server. Yes, start click. And I'm starting a new C# file using Visual Studio. I'm taking a new project. We write an unit here and an unit test project comes up. We select it. If you don't select this, it will be not create a test project. This is important. I did next. It asks for the name of project. It asks for registration location. This version is active now. You can choose whatever you want. Yes, project is opening. In the form of setup and test 1 section. This screen is important. If you cannot see this screen, it means you start wrong project. After starting, we right click on the project. We will add to Appium library. I right click and click on manage NuGet package. I come to browser section. We write Appium here and search. Then I select the Appium WebDriver library and click install. I accept the license. Okay, downloading. Downloaded. It appeared. I'm closing it from here. I'm deleting this. I will show you how to run it the most basic way. I'm deleting this. I prepare the codes to make it faster. I will be paste them here. First, we create the driver. I'm pasting the other setup section. This way, friends, we are making Appium adjustment. Here you can see the emulator connection setting here. You enter your emulator related features. Here are the features of device. After that, here are the features about your app. As you can see from here, package name and other activities and features. Then we will connect by the server. Our server number is here. I gave a waiting period. Friends, there you go. This is first step. Then let's get transaction codes in the calculator. Then I move on. In this, Appium Server is working now. Appium Inspector we are using. As you see our app setting like this. Let's show that it will be same as the server. I prepared it again to make it faster. What is written on the code? It's a little different here. You can use it in two settings. What do we do from here now? We will try to connect it directly to the emulator. I opened the emulator and it's ready again. First we start server, then we start the Appium Inspector. We will try to open the calculator from here. Yes, it's opened. Here we reach the emulator. The same screen appeared in the emulator. For example, I click on the emulator. It doesn't see it here. But if we synchronize it from here, it matches. For example, right now I click on 6 and it became 96. It goes directly to emulator anyway. Let's reset. How do we do this? We select the button from here and it makes single quick click here. I will use this. I will use the select section. Yes, how do we get the codes? There is a records section here. We are making records. Red tab lit up. First, I click on 9. There are information section about the button on the right, or there is a locate section. So, we see the features of the buttons here. We get the address briefly. I clicked on 9. Click tapped. It went to screen and it was recording in the background. Then click plus. I click tap again. Then click 6. I tap again. We have to tap every time. I click equal and tap it again. As you can see, the names of locators change here. We take it from here. Okay, we saw the result now. I stopped recording. In short, we want to do this in the simple way possible. Yes, we came to record section. Our code is ready here. Our locator is ready. 9 plus 6. You can change the code here. Currently, I want to C#. You can change it to Java. It changes automatically. I recommended you to use this very nice feature. You can get it from here. I copy it from here and paste it directly under where we left off. We are ready now. We can run this test. The server is open. C# screen is open. Let's reset the emulator and it is currently idle. We run the test from here. I click run. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Yes, as you can see, the server has started working. Yes, test has been completed. We achieved what we want to do. As you can see, added 9 and 6. We saw 15 results in the emulator. Let's see the codes again like this. Let's look at where we got this information from. If you don't have a calculator, you can download it from Google Play Store. To get information about calculator or your application, we download a program called APK Info from the Google Play Store. We open this application and find the calculator application. We reach the package number in it. We also access activity information here. Thanks for watching, friend. If you have any question, you can write below. If you like it, please subscribe and press the like button. Thanks. Bye bye.